So when you went to experiment or any kind of this, okay. So suppose you will got that 24 hours experiment, okay. 20 you first do the Ecoplate, okay, and put it into the incubations, and then you can take the readings and go to that machine to take the reading, and you will receive this kind of this kind of reads, okay. So this is your first read, okay. This is your first read. So how you need to do this one? So you just receive this kind of reads, okay. Then you have to calculate that that original series over here. So how you can do? So you can do by yourself, such as I am copying from this one, okay, and I'll go to another set and just paste it over here, okay. So you can check that you just copy here, okay, and this one is a paste, okay. So how you need to do? You need to do like this. So this, so this is, we have the 31 the different kind of carbon source, okay.
21 different
31
31
different kind of 31,
31. Oh,
okay. But and plus 1 is the water. So we have total 32 oil, okay.
32
Oil.
Yeah.
32 oil. So you can see the check that 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one replica, okay.
Replica.
You see that unknown 96 oil is there total. So you can see there is a 32 up to this one, that oil number is there 32. Again, this is replication, okay.
How to spell?
A replica, right? So REPLICA.
Okay. Replica. Is something like copy?
Yeah, copy. Just do 1, 2. This is one replica, okay.
Yeah.
Suppose this is one replica. I will show the border. Okay. This is number two replica. Change, and this is the 3 replica. Okay. So this and these are the this oil, okay. This oil is the water, this is the water, and every replica, the first oil is the water.
So it may become 0.
Yeah.
Into minus.
Yeah. So water we need to just minus, so you can see that equals to, okay, this one minus this reading, okay.
Yes.
Minus 0.04.
That's something
96.
like need to become, they become
normalize.
0. They become 0 and each other's reads need to minus the first one.
Yeah. Exactly. So just do it. So this is your first replica is completed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Second, your replica is
That's it.
that's equals to this one minus
0.0544.
0.0544, right?
Mm.
0. It's become 0, right?
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
Equals to this one
Mm.
minus 0.0522.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
So this is become your okay.
Mm.
So now what you want to do, you have to, you can check that there is some oil is minus.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
So you can 0. Okay? If there is some minus,
Need to become 0.
0.
Okay.
So you can put it 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, whatever. If they are minus, okay?
Mm.
So now what you want to do, you have to do the sum, total sum, okay? Sum, total sum, AMR. AMR means that average metabolic rate, okay? M, M, R. Average metabolic rate.
Oh.
A, okay? We call it is it's a kind of term, okay, terminology. You don't need to think about too much thinking about this one. Just take it that AMR, okay?
Okay.
And this is the mean value and this is the SD value, okay?
Mm.
So I am just copy from here and go to this sheet and just put it the cell, okay?
Mm.
So how you calculate the sum? Means you have to calculate this total sum, this, okay?
Mm.
This one. Just go and auto sum, okay? It will become like this one.
Mm.
And then the total sum, okay? Total sum is equals to this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, okay?
Mm.
Your first replica is come out, okay? So you can just merge it, okay?
Mm.
So like this you can also do this one, because this one you can see that F30 FGHI, you can see FGHI, so they become FGHI.
Okay.
And you have to do the average metabolic rate, right? Average metabolic rate, so this is your total metabolic rate. You know, from this total total readings, this is your total value. total reading value. And you have how much you how many oils you have? 32 oils, right? So just divided by 32. So your average metabolic rate will be this equals to this one, okay, divided by divided by 32. This one is the your average metabolic rate. So for this one is the first replica,
I know.
and so as like you can tell this the second replica. Then you have to do the, so this is 1 replica, 2 replica, 3 replica. Then you have to put the mean. Means, do you know means? Means average. Mean, MEAN. Mean value, you can.
You say average is how to spell?
You know, mean value. Okay, so mean is the kind of this one.
Oh, okay.
Do you got?
Yeah, I got it.
So mean equals to average. You can see equals. I put first the equals. Okay. A. B. Average. Means average. Okay. Average. And just select this one, comma, this one, comma, this cell. Okay. Just bracket close. Okay. Enter. So this is your.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. So you have to calculate against standard deviation. Like this, you can see ST. This one. So this is your three readings were there, right? So you can see 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. Okay. So this is your standard deviation. Okay. So this is your first reading is first Ecoplate sample is calculated. Okay. So this is your 24 hour reading, right? So you will take again 24 hour reading, right? Means 48 hours, because you have to. There is this Ecoplate. You have to take the readings 20.
Yeah, no, this I know. 24, 48,
Yeah,
72,
yeah.
96.
Yeah.
I know.
So you can calculate this one, okay?
So one sample have 7 different
Yeah.
Now if I finish this, calculate, right? How do I to draw?
Yeah. I'll tell you. Okay. So just do it. So I will go to another. So you can see that there is a rock sample is there. So you can see that they did the 24 hours and they up to 160 hours. Okay.
168 hours. Yes.
168 hours.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So now you can check that how to do the reading. Okay. So I will go to this way. So you can So you know that this is the 24-hour readings.
Mm.
Do you understand what is this one?
This one's.
Yeah. So suppose I am telling you this one. So this two value.
Yes.
These two value you have to put
Put inside.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this is your average metabolic rate value,
Mm.
mean, and this is all the ST,
STD.
standard deviation. So then again you have 48 hours,
Yes.
and this standard deviation 72 hours and 96 hours standard deviation, 120 hours standard deviation. Like that they can do up to 48 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can see this is his mean.
Yeah.
Only they segregate that mean value and standard deviation. Okay. So just if you plot this one, okay, Control C. If you go there, I'll plot it into the different. Okay. So according to your sample, how many sample you have, and how many
How many hours you have?
yeah, and just calculate this one, and just go and go to insert and recommended chart. You can plot by this one, or you can plot it by scattered or line. Okay. For line, what kind of line do you want, or if you want to sample wise, so you have to go to 8 hours. So if you want to do this one, so then just go to the okay, and you will plot this one. Okay. So just you put it like that. Example, average metabolic rate, and this is the nanometer. Okay. Wavelength. Okay. And incubation period, like that. Okay. And it is the sample. So you have to put the standard deviation also. So how you put your standard deviations? If I copy this one and this one for the standard deviation. Okay. So suppose so this is this data. Okay. I have to put the standard deviation, means I have to put this bar, standard deviation bar. Okay. So how you can put? Just select. Okay. If you okay, don't need to do this one like that. If you select this one, you can see there is that which one is the this data,
Yes.
which sample he can put. So according to this sample, you have to put this standard deviation data. Okay. So just go to error bar. Okay. Error bar, and just take it standard deviation. You know. You just need to custom. Okay. Custom value, specify value. Okay. If you go to specify value, okay, then you can see that this is the positive value. Do you know what is the positive? This is the positive value. You have to put same. Okay. And negative value, you have to put again same value is the positive value or negative value. And okay, they put the standard. Like that, you can put a standard deviation also this sample, okay. And like that, you can do also with this sample also.
Okay.
So this is your plot, okay. Then you have to calculate again another things, which is called endpoint analysis. End okay, so you can do the functional gene diversities, different kind of analysis, okay. So this is called endpoint analysis. I'll show you. Control C. Google. Translate. Okay. So this is your endpoint analysis. So endpoint analysis means that you have to calculate the substrate diversity, or you have to calculate how much amount of particular carbon types. Means that do you know there is a 31 carbon source is there. So in this carbon source there is a 5 type or 7 types of carbons is there, okay. One is the carbohydrate. I'll show you. One is the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, okay. Second one is the amino acid. Okay. Fourth type is the polymer. Polymer. Okay. So this all are the different type of carbon source is there. Okay. So you can check that that he did. You can see the example of. The major carbon source crop, like this one, okay. So how you can see that what kind of carbon source, amino acid, carboxylic acid, polymer, amines, phenols. So you have to go 48 hours. Only you have to do this one, okay. If you go to the rock sample, if you check on any data, doesn't do. How you calculate Okay, let me check first his data. I don't know how he did the major carbon source analysis, but he doesn't. So actually it's not like that. How you calculate? think he have some another folder, but I cannot understand this. So for I give some example from my side, okay? So I calculate the 168 hours, okay? So you just calculate this one, right? You know, you can calculate up to this one, right? Because I already told you how to do.
Yes.
And then you have to calculate that.
It's 96 things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see that this is the different kind of carbon source. Okay. So you know, so this is the oil number 1. Okay?
I know. Yeah. This
So
I know.
water.
Yeah.
Okay. So up to 32, you can see that each oil number is there.
Yes.
So what their type is, their name, component name, because this oil number 2. Suppose this one is a 2. 2, okay?
Okay.
So it is belongs to the pyruvic
Yeah.
ester.
Here all.
And this is the polymer,
Yeah.
or this is the carbohydrate.
Yeah.
So deoxycellulose, suppose oil number 7. Yeah, you can see that this is the oil number 7. Oil number 7. So this is the oil number 7, right? So this is the oil number 7. Oil number 7 name is the decellulose.
Yeah.
Okay? So what kind of the carbohydrate? Okay? And I put that their absorbance. Absorbance R1.
Reese.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you can see that absorbance I put
know.
there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
I put there.
Yeah.
And and do you know how they have the score? You can see
Yes.
their score is there. So how we can define the score? If this absorbance, there is a one threshold limit is there. Threshold limit. Threshold limit. TH. Threshold.
I know. If the race 0, you don't have points. If it's up 0, you have 1 point.
No, not like that. If it is 0, then 0, no problem.
Yeah.
But this threshold limit is this one.
Oh.
If it is greater than 0.25, then we will consider as a 1. If it is less than
Just 0.
just 0.
Okay.
So
If less than 0.25, then it's 0.
yeah,
Okay.
if it is greater than 0.25 absorbance,
Why is this limit?
because you know that lot you can understand that some the bacteria is there.
Yeah.
You know, bacteria try to eat that carbon source and they use it, and they, after eating, what bacteria did that he released the hydrogens, okay. After eating this carbon substrate, bacteria release the hydrogens, okay. And these hydrogens, if I put lot of hydrogens in some chemical component, so how it will be charged? It will be the charge negative, right? It will be reduced. You know oxidation and reductions? Yeah, it will be reduced. So that's why it's come violet color.
My question is
Yeah.
0.25 is a
Yeah,
table.
yeah, because if it is observance is less than 0.5, it is too less
Okay.
amount.
Mm.
So we consider it is negligible.
Okay.
If it is so bacteria, we can, if it is 0.25 less than any kind of suppose oil, this oil is the, this oil number have less than 0.25, okay. You can see, suppose suppose this one, okay. This one, you can see the 0.05 is so it is less than 0, right? Less than 0.25, right? So I put it as a 0, okay.
Okay.
And if it is above than 0.25, I put it 1. So this is your score.
I know.
So around you score, that is another things. But how you can know that how much carbohydrate is there, how much amino acid is there, how much carboxylic acid is there, how much amino acid they use actually. So for this one you can see that I just sum up, sum up. Suppose, okay, let me show you. Suppose sorry. So it is 0, it will be 0 also. Okay, so if you want to put the carbohydrate, okay, let us see. Okay, so if I put the if I want to calculate the how much carbohydrate is there, amount, total amount of carbohydrate. So just equals to is sum, okay, and so this is the carbohydrate, right? So one, all carbohydrate is I will calculate, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another is carbohydrate is there. This one is the carbohydrate. Okay? And one any more carbohydrate? I think I don't. Oh, there is a carbohydrate there. There, right? Bracket close. Enter. Okay? So you can totally. So actually, you don't need to take care about this one. Okay? Just delete it because this is the score value. Just delete this one. Okay?
I'm sorry, I have a question. Why here is 0?
Yeah, I think actually this was my previous data, so I did have some mistake over here. Okay?
Because the is in his left wrist is
0.25.
Greater than 0.25, but in the right your wrist right 0.
Yeah, if it is less than 0.25, then there will be the 0.
Yeah.
If it is greater than 0.25, then it will be the 1. So I did that mistake.
But he always miss.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So you can put it all as a 1.
Okay.
Okay. So you can check and go through this way. Okay.
Okay.
I just give an example. Okay. But the theory is if it is 0.25, then it will be the 1. If you greater than 0.25, it will be the 1. Okay, sorry. Hello. हाँ बोलो আমি আসছি দাঁড়াও হ্যালো আমি আসছি so you can don't worry about my data, okay?
Okay.
You just think about your data. If it is greater than 0.25, it will be 1, and if it is less than 0.25, it will be 0. Okay? Okay? So just forget about this data. I just give you the example. So you can see the carbohydrate. Okay? So this is the your replica 1, replica 2, replica 3. Got it? Do you understand what I am talking about this one? This is replica 1, replica 2, replica 3.
Yes.
And like this one, you have to calculate amino acid. Okay? So just go to and equals to and type SUM sum. Sorry, SUM sum. Okay?
Okay.
Sum is there. So there is, you can check that all are related to the amino acid. Okay? Amino acid. Is there any amino acid? No, right? Just shift bracket close. Okay? Enter. Or you can check by carboxylic acid equals to sum, right? Carboxylic acid, this one is carboxylic acid, this one is carboxylic acid, this one also carboxylic acid, this one, another carboxylic acid, this one also carboxylic acid. So just bracket close, enter, carboxylic acid is come. Like that you have to go to the polymer, equals to sum. These are the all polymer, right? So all sum. You have to double click, okay? Okay, I will show you. Suppose I give some example as a 8-5, okay? Suppose this is, I just forgot the data, so I just put it 9-5 something like that, okay? It is my random example. So just go to there and according to sum, polymer, okay? Just close this one. Like this, you want do the amine. So there is amine, 2 amines on its only there. So, amines plus enter. Or phenols. Phenols is there. Okay? Then you just need to drag it. All data is came out, you know. Delete. So this is the absorbance 1 carbohydrate value. Absorbance 2, you can see.
Yeah, I know.
So you have to do the, like that you arrange that mean value, right? Over here. You arrange the mean value and ST value. So you have to score again, you have to score the mean value. So this is absorbance 1, absorbance 2, absorbance 3. Replica 1, replica 2, replica 3, right? So you what you did, you did in this part, you did the total replica 1, replica 2, replica 3. You just sum up, okay? Mean value, you calculate the mean value. So again you have to do the mean value. Here also you have to do the mean value. So equals to, if I put the mean value, okay, equals to this one this one and this one. Just close, enter. Oh, all this. Equals to average this one, this one. Okay. So for carbohydrate you put the mean value, okay, and standard deviation STD, okay, STDV, this one, right? Okay.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Just standard deviation, okay? And don't need to do anything, just drag it. It is the you can see the carbohydrate is there, okay? So I give you the example as a that endpoint analysis, okay? So this is for one example, one sample. So if you put like this one sample, two sample, so it will become like that.
But only one sample just need to do in the 160 hours.
Yeah.
To do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No need to do others. Only the endpoint analysis.
Okay.
Only this analysis is for the 168 hours.
Okay.
Okay. So just do it, and I again go to Tony's data. You can see substrate. So you can check my data. So I put it right there. Carbohydrate, phenols. So this is our mean value, okay? All I put, you can see total absorbance is there. All you can see that type of compound, that mean total mean absorbance means this one. Right now you calculated to this one, okay? This one and ST value for this sample. Again another this sample, another this sample. So like this you can put substrate utilization data. So if you have, suppose this kind of sample is data is there, so just copy and paste, okay? So suppose I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 sample. So I just go insert recommended chart, okay? And you can see that column plot is there, or you can go there any kind of select this chart also or this chart also, okay? According to sample you can go copy and you just know that what kind of, and just if you want to change that how much it is down or how much, so you can do this one also. Also if you do this one, then you can go to the design quick chart layout, or if you put this one, so it is become like this. So for the endpoint analysis, you can see that that this sample the total that
I think maybe when I finish this on analyze,
Mm.
I will ask you how to explain this
Mm.
whole endings picture.
Mm.
Yeah.
okay.
I will do the analysis first. Because
Okay.
if now you tell me how to explain this picture, I think I will
Okay.
forget it. I think maybe in the end I can ask you about
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah. Or you can do this one. Okay. So whatever you like, you can do. So this is also very good example. So you can do like this one. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So just go to change some plot, or if you think, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Finish?
you recorded?
Yeah.
No problem.
Finish?
Yeah, finish.